Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install QuickBooks Desktop from the official Intuit download page. First, open your web browser and go to the official QuickBooks Desktop downloads page. This is the page Intuit provides for downloading QuickBooks Desktop installers and updates. Make sure you're using the official Intuit page so you don't accidentally download the wrong file or an outdated installer. Once you're on the download page, look for the section that says Search and Download Your QuickBooks Versions. First, click Select Country. Choose the country that matches your QuickBooks Desktop license. This is important because QuickBooks features, tax settings, and activation can be different depending on your region. Next, click Select Product. Choose the QuickBooks Desktop edition you own, such as Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. After that, click Select Version. Choose the year that matches your QuickBooks Desktop product. Make sure the year matches your actual license because your license and product number are tied to a specific version. Once everything is selected, click Search. QuickBooks will now show the download result for the version you selected. Click Download next to your exact QuickBooks Desktop version. The installer file may be large, so allow it to download completely before opening it. Once the download is finished, go to the folder where the file was saved. For most people, this will be the Downloads folder. Now, double-click the installer file to open it. If Windows shows a user account control message, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. The QuickBooks Desktop installer will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. When you see the license agreement, review it, then accept the agreement to move forward. Next, QuickBooks may ask you to choose an installation type. For most single-computer users, choose the recommended or express install option. If you're setting up QuickBooks for a shared company file, server, or custom install location, you can choose the custom and network options instead. But if you're not sure, stick with the recommended option. Continue through the setup process and wait for QuickBooks Desktop to finish installing. Once the installation is complete, open QuickBooks Desktop. The first time you open it, QuickBooks may ask you to activate the software. Enter your license number and product number exactly as they appear in your purchase confirmation email, account page, or original packaging. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet so QuickBooks can complete the activation. Once activation is complete, you can open an existing company file or create a new one.